Hi, we're going to be going over a review of the four corners or weave, easy for me to say, beautiful maiden weaves at Shuttles, and then we're going to take a look at Grassbird's tail, which was the movement we learned this week. Let's just take a look at that footwork again so that you feel comfortable with it, all right? For beautiful maiden weaves at Shuttles. Remember that we ended with single whip, but just put the hands away for a moment. And I want you to really feel your rootedness in the feet. One of the things that helps is to feel your center, because this is what's going to direct everything, your rotation from the center. And for people who are new, that's not going to make a whole lot of sense until later on. So just the people who have been doing this for a while, you're going to start getting that sensation that, oh, what I'm doing here really dictates what my hands and feet are doing. So let's begin here. We're at single whip. I'm going to move a little. Yeah, I think this is good. I'm not going to move a little. All right, so we begin by sinking the weight to the right, left toes in, sink to the left, and step to the first corner. Boom. Now turn the body and the heel drops back. That's especially for those, this is a modified footwork for people who have limited mobility in the hips and want to save their knees too. Now we sink the weight onto the right, step with the left foot to the left corner. Sink back, rotate the toes in as much as you can. Sink onto the left, we step to the third corner. See this footwork? This isn't great. We have to turn and drop the heel back so that we're not torquing anything. Weight goes on to the right, left foot steps to the last corner, and we're right back where we were. So let's try it again. Sink back, toes in, sink to the left, step right, turn, foot goes back, heel goes back, pivot on the ball of the foot. Weight goes to the right, step left. Sink back, toes come in, sink onto the left foot, step right, turn, heel goes back. Weight goes onto the right, step left. Now, if you have a lot of flexibility in your hips, you might be able to do this. Toes in, lift the heel. Notice I'm pivoting on this foot, and now I drop back and I step to my first corner, and I'm okay in this position, but if you're not, then you can still drop that heel back. But if you are okay with an L stance, great. Weight goes on to the right, step left, another L stance. Now, pivot in, maybe you can lift and pivot some more. Sink back. Step with that right foot. Weight goes on to the right, step left. Try it again. Rotate in, lift the heel, rotate more, sink back. Step to the first corner. Step to the second corner. Funky step, toes in, heel up and back. Step to the third corner. Sink, step to the fourth corner. If that's not good for you, we're going to do it the other way, the modified way of doing this. So toes in. Step to the first corner, turn, heel goes back. Step to the second corner. And it may be too that you want to turn here and drop that heel back. Just make sure it's comfortable in your body. Again, toes in, weight goes on to the left, step right, heel goes back, step left. Again, toes in, weight left, step right, turn, heel goes back, step left. Toes in, weight on the left, step right, turn, heel goes back, step left. I want to show you something about torquing the knee because I want you to feel comfortable in this. Begin again. Heel our toes in, step. If you don't move that back foot and you're turning to do the work of the arms, this inside knee is really going to hurt after a while. It may not hurt now, but in months from now of doing this over and over again, you're going to find perhaps some pain there. So when you're turning to block and punch, don't twist yourself. Just let that go. Okay? Step to the third corner. I lied, the second corner. Sink back, rotate the toes in. Weight goes on the left. Step, drop the heel back. And then finally, step to that final corner. All right, from here, let's just put the hands with it. Just a review. Remember, end of single whip, left palm is open, back hand is in a beak. We change that. The left hand becomes the platter, the right hand becomes a loose, relaxed fist. Turn, toes come in, fist under platter. Step, switch the hands, now turn, open hand blocks, punch comes. Platter, fist, switch them. Turn, open hand first, punch second. Platter, fist under platter, toes come in, sink, switch the hands, step, turn, block and punch. Platter, fist under platter, step, switch the hands, block and punch. Platter, fist under platter, turn, step, switch the hands, turn, block and punch. Platter, fist under platter, step, switch the hands, turn, block and punch. Platter, fist under platter, step right, switch the hands, turn, block and punch. Platter, fist under platter, switch the hands, turn, block and punch. Okay, from here, let's go into the footwork of grasp bird's tail, because that's the next movement that we learned. So feel your feet rooted here, and simply what's going to happen is weight goes back, toe comes in, shift the weight to the left, step right, going straight onto the cardinal direction now, but we also sink back and turn, sink into that left quad, and then turn back, ball of foot touches down, and we step again to the cardinal direction. Okay, let's go back to the end of 4 corners. Begin, sink back, hook the toe in on the left. Weight goes to the left. Step right, sink back, toe up, square the hips, ball of foot touches down, and then we just step. Try it again. Toe in, weight goes left. That makes the right foot light so we can step. Now we sink back and turn, the right toe comes up. We square the hips, and the ball of the foot touches down, and then we step in for that push at the end. Try it again. Turn and hook the foot, sink the weight on left, light right foot, we step with it, we turn and sink into the left, right toes up, as we square, brings the ball of the foot back, and then we step into it and find our rootedness in this posture. Okay, so let's look at the hands for grasp bird's tail. I'm going to show you directly in front of you what it looks like, and then we'll break it down together. So this is what it looks like. We're at the end of beautiful Maiden Weaves at Shuttles. Hands come back. They turn. and we push. I'm not doing the feet with this, just the hands. Again, what it looks like. Right hand slowly opens, right palm extends up, left palm down. We turn the body and turn the hand. So now right is down, left is up. We circle back, both palms face out, and we do a little push. Okay? Now in the form, I'm going to be facing the other opposite direction from where you are. So let's do this together. I'm going to do it in a mirror image so that you can follow along with me. Now, let me set this up. So the right hand is blocking. The left hand is blocking. The right hand is punching. Haha. So, as you know, I don't know my left and right. It's very difficult. So, right hand begins to open as we turn. Left palm down, right palm up. And then as we turn back, turn both palms. So now the right is down, the left is up. We're going to circle back, both palms face out, and you just give it a little push. Okay? So from the block and the punch, just remember our story. We turn and we notice, oh, there's pie over here. We just take a little piece of the pie, we turn and go, oh no, I'm going to dump that out. I shouldn't be eating pie anyway. Turn back and push the pie away. Okay? So, block and punch. Open, the right hand extends. Grab the pie. As you think about it, no, you're going to dump the pie. Turn back. Push the pie away. Block and punch. We open the right hand. We turn. Dessert table. Pie comes up in the right hand. As we decide, we just dump it into the trash, which is complete waste, I'm telling you. Turn back and just push the pie away. Let's try it one more time. Left hand blocks, right hand punches. We release. Just let the right hand open up, soft, relaxed, tiger maw position. We bring the pie back. As we decide no, we turn it into the trash. Let both hands float up, palm out. Gently turn, push the dessert away. Okay. We're going to do that 3 more times together, allowing you to make mistakes, allowing me to make mistakes, and not judge it, just do what we can, okay? So, begin. Okay, try it again. And then back. Last one. All right, so let's do this together with the feet and the hands, and I'm going to do this mirror image so you're just going along with me in the same direction. So as I turn this way, you turn this way. So we have this block and punch. Right hand is blocking, left hand did the punch. And we have our left foot pointing toward the diagonal. So we begin. letting go. As we sink back, we hook the left foot in. Weight goes on to the left as we turn and step toward the pie. We bring the pie back and we go, no, we can't do that. And we're still staring at that dessert table as we turn back and prepare to push the dessert table away. You're out. Boom, no more temptations. Okay, let's try it again. Remember, left hand blocking, right hand punching, loose fist. Should be able to put a dime. Nobody uses a roll of dimes anymore. You should put a pen in there, you relaxed, a pencil, a stylus. All right, left foot is pointing to the corner, and we begin. Relax. Hook the left foot in as the center of you rotates. Turn, right palm up, left palm down. Grab the dessert. Make your decision. No, I'm not going to have that. Toe up. As we turn, the ball of the foot touches down. We step in, and we push that away. It doesn't have to be desserts. You can push away experiences, or maybe not experiences, but just letting go of certain experiences, maybe. Not pushing them down, but just think about it. You know, you're in a tough situation. Block, punch. Begin. Relax. Hook the toe in. Step. That situation is coming right at you. Turn. Toss it in. Right into the trash. I'm letting go of that. I don't need that. And then step in. And this. Own your boundaries. That's where the push comes in. It's like, this is my space. You don't need to be coming in here. Okay? Especially need that during the holidays, right? Maybe any time, actually. I don't want to date this. All right. Left, right, left. Begin. Hook the toe in. Meet what comes to your life. Sink back, decide that I can let go of. Turn back. Own your space. Own your boundaries. Again. Block and punch. Begin. Right palm up, left palm down. Turn the body and then turn the hands. Ball of foot touches down. Step and push. Oh. Okay, begin. Sink back. Hook the foot in. Meet what comes in your life with relaxation, peace. Turn, make that decision to just let it go. Turn back, ball of foot touches down. Step in. Create your space, own your space. Begin. Toe in. Right palm up, left palm down. Step. Turn the body, turn the hands. Turn back, ball of the foot touches down, and then it just goes right into that step. Begin. Meet what comes with peace, centeredness. Keep your eye in that direction. Own your space. Okay. Let's do it together in the direction of the form. Ready? Right hand punching, left hand open. Begin. Relax. Open the right hand as you hook the toes in. Step, right palm up, left palm down. Turn the body and then flip the hands, right down, left up. Turn back, both palms face out. Ball of foot of the right touches down. Step and push. Get into position. Begin. Into position. Begin. Hook the toe. Step right, right palm up, left down. Sink back, flip the hands. Turn, ball of foot touches down, hands prepare to push. Push. Begin. Begin. Hook the toe. Right palm opens. Step, right palm up, left down. Turn. Rotate the palms. Turn back. Prepare to push. Step. Push. Okay. That is grasp bird's tail. Remember, and I know I say this over and over again, mistakes are going to happen. You're not going to catch everything. That's not really the purpose, you know? The purpose right now is, how do I breathe fluidly? Because while I'm learning something, how can I allow my nervous system to be at peace knowing I don't need to get this right? I don't need to be perfect at this. What I need to do is to feel the fluidity, sense when it feels mechanical, learn from both of those because they're both really important. Observe, build your awareness, and allow yourself to make mistakes because that's how we learn. All right. When I look back on all these videos, I go, oh my gosh, I made all these, look at that. Oh, you know, I mean, there are things that I can see just because I've been doing this for a while and I always am open to getting better. And that's the journey of Taiji. All right. Happy practicing, and we'll see you next week. Cheers.